everyone, this is my day na sana tatakbo ako dito sa Metrogate Subdivision. Subdivision na secure tapos malapit siya sa Angeles Exit at Marquee Mall. At pwedeng pasukin yung bahay kaya check na natin. Available siya for sale. Ayan. So the house is modern contemporary. Pedestrian gate. Ay, wow! Dito may maliit kang garden, tapos may mga grass na siya. Minga-minga. May mga grass na siya, sorry. Over here, in fairness, spacious yung ano nyo. 2-vehicle carport. Ang spacious niya. Kahit dalawang van kasha. Stay in the middle. Yes, kasha yung dalawang van. Also, automated gate na rin. And then dito sa other side na to. Right side, from the front of the property. Meron tayong ditong access going to pinaka-service area as well as yung access din papunta sa pinakaloob. Tsaka malaki pa rin. Spacious siya. Tapos mahangin. So magbabandang alas 5 na ng hapon ngayon. I like this aesthetic. Ooh! Ito maganda din. Parang mini corner ng pwedeng washing machine na dito sa side. Tapos ayan. Hugasan ng mga map. Ay, sinilip. Balik tayo sa harap. I usually do the full house tour nang bumabalik talaga ako sa harap. Let's open that for later. In fairness, ang laki nito. And kahit nga yung steps nyo, from your main pedestrian gate, ang laki ng step. Also, yung tiles, maganda, hindi siya slippery. Okay. Main door. Ay, Ay, how do we get inside? Digital lock yung main door natin. Knock, knock. I'll see you inside. Welcome to your dream home. Okay. Oh, solid wood. Again, digital lock for your main door. And then, ang na-notice ko dito, parang may mini shoe rack na dito. Or shoe cabinet. Kung gusto nyong mas, isarado. A welcome porch. And I see a door na sa right side. Oh, our first bedroom. Na may sariling air condition unit. Ay! Cabinet. So, dito tayo kung saan yung headboard. Ito kasya na yung double size. Twin size pala, sorry. For the bed. And even yung flooring gusto ko din. Parang ang ganda. Nag-match sa wall. White wall natin. And fresh lang sa mata. Over here, tatlong door ng cabinet. Ay, may mga gamit. Mas may drawer na sa bandang baba. At may space sa taas for the luggages na siguro. Ito pwede na for the guest or sa parents nyo. Plus that room, tamang guest room nga siya. So, wala siyang ngayon. This one. Ito yung... Oh, this is just a storage. Hanapin natin kung saan maliligo yung for the guest room natin. For now, this is your living room, a spacious one that welcomes everyone agad pagpasok ng main door nyo. I love na nakaayos na rin yung pinaka-entertainment wall nyo for this house. Ito buong panel ng PVC. Fluted panels. Plus, malalaki yung storage sa ilalim. Ang ganda, no? That is your living room. Over here naman is your dining area. Kapag square, mas malaki yung malalagay yung dining table. So, kasya yung 8 nun. Kapag naman yung rectangle is kasya ng 6. This is the area for that. And ito yung kung saan lang ako galing kanina. Pag in-open nyo to, makakakuha kayo ng fresh air. Ang lakas ng hangin dito sa likod. Yan. Tapos ang liwanag lang, parang ang linis. Ang ganda nung backsplash, pati yung countertop nyo. Big size na granite. Yan. And also, maganda din yung material na ginamit nila for the sliding doors. Ito mo. Look. Dito naman, na parang medyo nakatago. Sorry. Pagpasok, that's your kwentuhan area and dining. Dito, yung formal kitchen nyo as well as meron ako nakitang storage at may another pinto pa. Maganda yung kitchen, ah. I like this one. Itong medyo mataas na countertop na to, pwede ng breakfast area yan. Nagsiserve kayo. Dito may mga nakastock kayong either collections yun ng wine glass or mga mugs, coffee mug. Diba? You have the large sink. Modern na din. So this one's very useful kasi pwede nyo i-adjust yung mga saksakan. Sa banda naman dito, you have a 4 burner stove. Kasi may range hood na rin siya. And this one is ventilation, natural ventilation. Tapos overhead cabinets. Oh, lahat ng cabinets nila ganito. Even yung handle, so terno-terno. Terno-terno. Pati sa ilalim ng mga countertop natin, sa sink, merong cabinet. Tingnan niyo. Ganda. Dito siguro pwede na yung fridge natin. Kasya pa yung 2-door fridge dito. At sa taas may storage pa rin. Tapos itong likod na to, ito yung nakita ko kanina. So may wooden door, tapos may screen type. Yan. Para pag nag-park sa carport, dito na si helper nyo. Papasok. Hindi na sa living room kasi what if may bisita nga kayo. This door, oh! Ay, wow! Ito yung hinahanap nating CR for the guest room sa first bedroom na pinasok natin kanina. I like this one, ah. This one's spacious. Modern yung, shower head. Large toilet. Look at this one. It's a different kind ng Pero it's cute. Ala, walang water. Oh, ganyan. Ooh, wash. Cute. Cute. Kahit yung tiles na ginamit. Gusto ko yun. Nandito, parang meron ka ng storage dito. Pero, open concept. Yeah. Tapos nandito yung breaker na itago ng bote. I need mga spices, I need pansit, gano'n. Nandito lang siya. Kitang-kita niya. Ang ganda pag pinuno nyo ng groceries yan sa ilalim yung mga drinks. Something like that. Natapos na tayo sa baba. Na-maximize yung, lahat ng space. Kasi useful naman yung bedroom agad dito. This area, especially yung kitchen, gusto ko yan. Okay, ito tayo sa taas. Ito nakita na natin. This is a storage. Mga bigger things na hindi na muna kailangan for daily. Diyan nyo lalagay. Ayan, I'll see you upstairs. A natural light coming from this fixed window going to your second floor. Ooh, I love your ceiling and the chandelier. Ang ganda. Siguro, kausapin natin yung mga nanonood kung nabilang ba nila kung how many times ko nasabi yung ang ganda. Ang ganda ko. Anyway, joke lang. Again, before I continue going up, for those who haven't subscribed yet, you can follow us on all our social media pages. That's Next Level Properties. Thank you. Ooh. Aside from you have a very useful layout sa pinakababa, dito sa taas, nabigyan pa tayo ng family area. At malaki siya. Malaki pa rin. Kahit 4-seater na sofa dito. Dito ay 3-3. 3-3. Yung parang naka-L-shape pa. Kaya dito. Tapos warm. May ma-presko pa rin. Medyo naiinitan lang akong jacket ako. Pero ma-presko yung orientation ng bahay. Tapos may entertainment wall ka na pwede maglagay pa rin ng TV or PlayStation dyan. And from your family area, meron tayong 2 room. Ito yung pinaka-second bedroom. Oh. Wow, ang ganda! Ang cute! Ang cute naman ito. Okay, second bedroom located siya sa second floor. Siguro nagko-complement lang yung pagka-dark gray na to. Itong touch ng color na to. And at the same time, ang ganda ng mga main light nila. So, I think this is where your headboard goes. Kaya up to queen size dito. May sariling air condition unit and dito side I mean, dito banda yung cabinet niya. Plus, this one could be a study area or vanity na rin. Cute. Ayan. And also this one, I'll show them later na yung toilet and bath nila kasi I guess common to. Oh, parang mirror. Ayan. For this room, same. Nakabaliktaran lang. And headboard. Di ba presko? Oh, may hangin dito sa bandang likod. Headboard, also aircon. Same din sila ng main light and then her cabinet area. Plus for your toilet and bath, ng dalawang bedroom na yan, iba. Natutuwa ako sa mga faucet nila. Modern yung mga ginamit. Yan, yung shower area, wala na siyang partition. Oh! Rough textured pala yung tiles niya. Parang pwede ding outdoor. Safe nga naman, pati yung sa wall. Yung toilet, large din. And your sink. Parang basic na pinatong. Okay, last one or our fourth bedroom is on this side, which is facing the front of the property kung saan ako intro. Your headboard could be here kasi ayun yung entertainment wall or could be here. Depends on where you like to put your bed frame. Air condition unit, may mga ventilation. Diba nafe-feel ko yung hangin, natural hangin. And also may ceiling fan. And para ma-separate this area, wait lang, pagpasok nyo ng door, ito yung cabinet. You have your cabinet na dito. Your vanity. Tapos para, it looks like his and hers na cabinet. That's it. And syempre, since this is primary bedroom, I guess this is the toilet. This is not your toilet and bath. Where is your toilet and bath? Okay? Parang may mini balcony ka dito. Para mag-hunt ba tayo ng toilet and bath, let's go to this sliding door. Wow, ang spacious nito. Ito yung front ng property. Yan. You have your balcony, direct access from the primary bedroom. Oh, tas palikod. Hanggang likod siya. So, I guess this bigger room. Ay, nako! Eto, nasilip ko na. Eto pala. Wait lang. Hindi, paano ba yung bukas nito? Paano to? Ay, ayun. Ay, wow! Ooh! Medyo hidden. Ito talaga yung totoong surprise na naman tayo sa ginagawa ko. Ayan, this is for your primary bedroom, this is your own toilet and bath. His and her sink, pati mirror, tagi-isa. Ay, sige mo, ayan. Parang high ceiling. And also, this side, sa medyo likod na nitong pinto, parang naging separate area yung toilet as well as yung shower area nyo. Ayan. See? Munti ko nang sabihin, siguro yung primary bedroom gagamit niyo yung common toilet sa taas. Na-prank na naman ako doon na walang toilet. Okay? Balik tayo to somewhere para for your quick recap. Okay? Dito na lang daw sa balcony natin. Ayan. For the quick recap, again, this house is brand new and available for sale located here at Metro Gate Subdivision, close to Angeles Exit and Marquee Mall. The house sits at 150 square meters for the lot area and you have 190 square meters for your floor area. This is 4-bedroom, 3 toilet and bath. You have your 2-vehicle carport with automated gate and the house comes unfurnished. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what truly matters. Finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Azayo Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on our next video.